Hi guys, I'm here to share 3 super quick and really easy hairstyle ideas for the holidays. First, I spray my hair with the Formula 18 Shine Spray for thermal protection and shine. Then I go in with my 1 1/4 inch Lay Angelique long barrel curling iron and I curl all the hair away from my face as a prep for all 3 of the styles. Pretty basic prep, so I sped it up. All I did was curl my entire head, everything away from the face, sprayed it with a dry texturizing spray. I like the Ashlee Norman Roll in the Hay spray, and then I combed it out with a wide tooth comb. This first hairstyle is super easy. It's a take on the butterfly clip trend, and I used these kitsch flower rhinestone claw clips, and I think they are super cute. For the second hairstyle, I'm also using another kitsch clip, and first I'm going to take a mini clear elastic band and I'm going to section off the sides of my hair and rake them back, and I'm going to connect them with one little ponytail in the back. Slide the elastic band down a little bit, flip the ponytail over and through, and then just pull at pieces to separate and give it a little texture. Apply the clip so we have a little sparkle, and that's hairstyle number 2. Super easy. And now for hairstyle number 3, I'm using these little pearl clips and an invisible hair tie. Just pulling out a couple pieces around my face, and then I'm going to secure everything into a loose ponytail, and then a second mini clear elastic band at the very bottom. Taking my finger, I'm just roughly separating about halfway the top and bottom of the ponytail, and I'm pulling the bottom of the ponytail through and wrapping the tail around, tucking it in, and securing it with the pearl pins. And that's hairstyle number 3. I hope these quick and easy hairstyle ideas inspire you when you're getting ready for your holiday events this year. Thanks so much for watching.